I asked ChatGPT one question: how would you make $5,000 as fast as possible if you had nothing but AI tools and the internet? And the answer it gave me honestly surprised me, not because it was complicated, but because it was simple, and most people completely overlook it. See, everybody thinks AI money is about building the next billion-dollar app. But ChatGPT basically said, find businesses wasting time, then use AI to save them time. That's it. And when I started testing this myself, I realized something important: most local businesses are still operating like it's 2016. They're slow. Their marketing is weak. Their content is inconsistent. And they have no idea AI can fix half their problems in one afternoon. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exact strategy ChatGPT gave me to make $5,000 as fast as possible using AI. No coding. No huge audience. No expensive startup. Just AI tools, smart positioning, and speed. And here's where it gets interesting: the goal is not to become an AI influencer. The goal is to become useful. That changes everything. The first thing ChatGPT told me was this: do not start by creating a product. Start by solving a painful problem. That's a huge mistake beginners make. They spend weeks building websites, logos, automations, courses, before anyone has paid them $1. Meanwhile, businesses already have problems they'll pay to fix immediately. Things like no social media content, slow customer response times, terrible email marketing, no follow-up system, no video content, no online presence. I can solve all of that faster than most people realize. So here's the first strategy. Offer AI-powered content creation for local businesses. And before you click away because that sounds basic, listen carefully. Most businesses hate making content. Restaurants, barbers, real estate agents, gyms, car dealerships, cleaning companies. They know they need videos, but they either don't have time, or they don't know where to start. That's where AI comes in. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write scripts. Use Canva AI to make graphics. Use CapCut or Pictory-style editing tools to turn clips into short-form videos. And suddenly, you're offering a complete content package. Here's the crazy part most people don't know. A lot of businesses don't even care if the content is perfect. They care if it's consistent. That's the surprising insight. Consistency beats quality in local business marketing almost every time. Because the business posting 3 decent videos a week usually outperforms the business posting 1 cinematic masterpiece every 2 months. That realization alone changes the game. Now here's the exact workflow. Step 1. Pick one business category. Do not target everybody. That slows you down. Pick something simple. Restaurants, realtors, gyms, truck companies, roofers. Then use AI to create one sample piece of content. 1. Not 10. One really solid example. Maybe it's a fake Instagram reel, a promotional flyer, a before and after ad, a customer testimonial video. Then send it directly to businesses. This is where most people freeze, because they think they need a huge portfolio. You don't. Businesses care about results, not certificates. And honestly, I've seen people make their first $1,000 before they even had a website. Now let me pause for a second because this part matters. When I first started looking into AI business models, I thought everything had to be massive. Complicated automations, custom software, big startup ideas. But the truth is, fast money usually comes from simple services packaged well. That was a mindset shift for me, and it's probably going to be one for a lot of people watching this too. Now let's talk numbers. If you charge a local business $500 for a content package, you only need 10 clients to hit $5,000. That sounds way more realistic than trying to get millions of YouTube views overnight. And businesses already spend money on marketing. You're not convincing them to spend money. You're convincing them to spend smarter. Now here's where things level up. The second strategy ChatGPT recommended was AI automation setups. This is where beginners start separating themselves from everybody else. Businesses waste insane amounts of time on repetitive tasks. Answering FAQs. Booking appointments. Responding to leads. Sending follow-up emails. AI tools can automate a lot of that. For example, you can build a simple AI chatbot using tools like ChatGPT APIs or no-code platforms. And before some people panic hearing the word API, relax. You don't need to be a programmer anymore. That's the wild part about 2026. AI has lowered the skill barrier dramatically. You can literally drag and drop workflows together now. A barbershop could use AI to automatically answer, "How much is a haircut? What time are you open? How do I book?" A real estate agent could automate lead follow-ups. A cleaning company could automatically respond to quote requests. These businesses save hours every week. And businesses pay for saved time, not technology. That's another important insight. Never sell AI, sell outcomes. Nobody cares about the engine. They care about the destination. Now here's a pattern interrupt most people need to hear. You do not need to master AI before making money with AI. That's a trap. The AI space changes too fast for perfection. The people winning right now are the people learning while executing. That's it. And honestly, some people watching this are probably already skilled enough to start today, they just don't realize it yet. Now the third strategy was something I really didn't expect. AI-assisted video repurposing. This one is underrated. Businesses are sitting on content they never reuse. Podcasts. Interviews. Facebook Lives. Training videos. Customer reviews. You can take one long video and turn it into TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, quote graphics, email content, blog posts, all with AI. One piece of content becomes 20. That's valuable. And here's the best part. Once you build one workflow, you repeat it. That's where scalability starts happening. You stop trading pure time for money. Now let me give you the exact outreach method ChatGPT suggested. Keep it short. Most people write giant paragraphs when pitching businesses. Don't do that. Say this: "Hey, I made this quick AI-powered content example for your business. Thought you might like it. If you want more content like this consistently, let me know." That's it. Simple. Low pressure. And direct. Now obviously, not every business will respond. That's normal. But you don't need everybody. You need a few serious clients. And once you get results for one business, referrals start happening naturally. Especially in local markets. Now here's something personal I'll say from my own perspective. I think a lot of people overestimate how hard it is to start making money online, and underestimate how important confidence is. Because half the battle is simply believing your work has value. AI gives regular people leverage now. The same leverage companies used to spend thousands of dollars on. That's a major shift. And most people still haven't caught up to it yet. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake people make. Consuming instead of executing. Watching endless AI videos. Reading endless Twitter threads. Saving tutorials. But never actually contacting anyone. That's where momentum dies. The fastest path to $5,000 is not learning every AI tool on earth. It's solving one problem for one customer, then repeating it. Simple scales. Complicated stalls. And if you really want to move fast, focus on speed over perfection. The businesses making money are not waiting for flawless systems. They're implementing quickly. Now before we wrap this up, there's one final thing ChatGPT said that stuck with me. It said, "The opportunity is temporary." And honestly, I agree with that. Right now, businesses are still confused about AI. That creates opportunity. But eventually, AI tools will become normal. The people who move early usually benefit the most. That doesn't mean panic. But it does mean this is probably one of the best times to start. So if I had to summarize the fastest path to making $5,000 with AI, it would be this. Pick one business niche. Use AI to create or automate something valuable. Show businesses an example. Charge for the outcome. Repeat the process. That's the blueprint. No hype. No fake guru nonsense. No get rich overnight promises. Just practical AI leverage. And honestly, after digging into this myself, I genuinely think we're still early. Most people are still playing with AI. Very few are using it like a business tool. That gap is where the money is. If this video helped you think about AI differently, stick around. Because in the next videos, I'm going to break down actual AI workflows, tools, and systems people are using right now to turn basic skills into real income online. And some of them are way easier than people think.